Happy Mother's Day. I am back in La Jolla. It is Sunday. When you're watching this, it is most likely Monday. And I woke up from taking a nap and I saw this. So obviously the first thing I did is call my mom, wish her a happy Mother's Day. And secondly, jump into the Passat to run up here to La Jolla and try to make some of that sweet, sweet incentive money. Now, here's the thing. Some of these incentives do expire in about 15 minutes, but that still leaves us with a $4.50 incentive for 4 hours until 9 p.m. So really exceptional pay on DoorDash can reach $25 an hour in gross revenue. So let's go online, place your bets. Am I going to hit 25 an hour? Am I going to make more or am I going to make less? Well, that didn't take long. Seconds after going online, we get a monster order, $17, and pretty low miles as well. So let's go pick up order number 1. So it's been absolutely crazy, as you can expect, in a good way though, for the most part. I had a decent amount of wait time at where was it? The Felipe's pizza place. Waited at least 10 minutes there. The Piata in La Jolla. Didn't wait too long, but there was probably 15 people waiting outside. I just got lucky. So now, after what, maybe an hour and a half or so, $56, doing pretty well, getting a ton of tips that are over the quoted amount, which means people are tipping even more. So now I have a impressive $19 order stacked, same restaurant with a $14 order. We did those stacked deliveries, fantastic, great orders, received great tips. Really have been receiving great tips all night. If you're driving a big holiday or any day that has really high earnings incentives, you don't have to take everything. Case in point, I just declined a Shake Shack order right over there at the Westfield UTC Mall. And I did that because I'm familiar with that location. Are the parking garages open with everything going on? I'm gonna have to navigate inside the mall. It just wasn't worth it. I don't want to go in there and have to walk through that entire mall. Versus a couple seconds later, I got a California Pizza Kitchen order. Again, it's all going to pay very well because the incentives are very good. So, having said that, 2.5 hours of driving, $105 earned so far. That is over $40 an hour. And I'm pretty sure I've received tips on absolutely everything. So yes, we're easily hitting the $25 an hour. So let's go get this one. Let's keep it up. This goes until 9. Post bathroom break and just got another stacked order. This is a $22 Chipotle order that actually consists of course, 2 orders. One important thing to note, something that I have been noticing recently on DoorDash. In the past, let's say a year ago, you had to return to the sole starting point in the marketplace, wherever you signed up to initially do that driving shift, if you signed up for a schedule, of course. Now, I'm seeing that the DoorDash app is actually accommodating where you currently are. So I'm here in La Jolla. When I finish a delivery down in Pacific Beach, let's say, the old system that I'm used to, I would have to go back always to La Jolla, and the DoorDash platform would only try to give me orders in La Jolla. Now, in the past couple of weeks, what I've been seeing is something that I've recommended to them. It's saying, hey, I'm in Pacific Beach, give me an order in Pacific Beach. So I have been seeing that tonight. That is great. But for now, again, it is nonstop, guys. Let's go get these Chipotle orders. All right, done. We are at just under $150, and it is the nail biting time because it is literally 5 minutes left until these pay incentives end for the night. and I really want to finish at least $160. So we'll see. We're online. Let's see what we get. So I didn't get another order request by 9 p.m., but here's what I did do. I took one more order as there were still, not surprisingly, more earnings incentives, this time until midnight, an extra $2 per delivery. And here we go, one more order, $10.50, and this one made sense anyway as I needed to head south. And even after this one, we can see the entire marketplace was still super busy. So with this one, grand total for the day, $157. And divided by the approximate 4.5-hour shift, that equals $34.89 in gross revenue per hour. Total business miles were 61, which gives us a tax deduction of $33.25. That gives a net revenue of $123.75. or a net revenue per hour of $27.50. That is one of the highest pay days that I can remember, even after the tax deduction hitting over $25 per hour. So let me know down below in the comments, how often are you able to hit $25 per hour on any food delivery platform? And if you've enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, and click or tap the screen now for my most recent video, as well as a video recommended for you, and I'll see you in the next one.